Have you ever looked at your to-do list and thought, there has to be a better way? What if I told you that you could outsource 50% of your work, without hiring anyone, without writing code, and without needing to be a tech expert? In this video, you're going to learn about 10 automation tools that do the work for you. These aren't gimmicks or short-term hacks. These are real platforms used by thousands of freelancers, small business owners, creators, and remote workers to automate everything from emails to social media to business processes and even content creation. Stick around, because at the end I'll show you a tool that can literally run your business in the background while you sleep. Ready? Let's dive in. 1. Zapier. Zapier is one of the most popular automation tools on the planet, and for good reason. It connects over 6,000 apps and services and allows you to create automations, called zaps, without writing a single line of code. Let's say every time someone fills out a Google form, you want to automatically send them a confirmation email via Gmail, add them to your MailChimp list, and send a Slack message to your team. With Zapier, you can do that, all in one zap. It's like digital duct tape that holds your entire workflow together. You can use it to manage customer onboarding, create automatic invoice generation, or even schedule social media posts. Zapier saves you hours each week and makes your systems run smoother. 2. Make. Make is like Zapier's more technical and visual cousin. Instead of just choosing actions from a list, you drag and drop different blocks to create visual automations. If you like to see how your processes flow, this one's for you. It's especially good for complex workflows like syncing data between Google Sheets, Notion, and Airtable, or building entire email parsing systems. Imagine receiving an order on Shopify, syncing it to Notion, updating a Google Sheet, sending the customer a confirmation SMS, and backing everything up to Dropbox. All automatically. That's the power of Make. It's widely used by advanced users, but their step-by-step wizards make it beginner-friendly too. 3. Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that handles notes, docs, tasks, calendars, databases, and more. But when you combine it with automation tools like Zapier, Make, or Tally, it becomes a powerhouse for solo entrepreneurs and remote teams. Let's say you're a freelancer managing multiple clients. You can build a custom client portal in Notion, link it with your intake forms from Tally, and use automation to update your boards when a new client signs up. You can also auto-sync Notion with your content calendar or have it send Slack messages every time a project status changes. It's your second brain, and with automation, it becomes your virtual assistant. 4. Pictory. This AI tool takes your blog posts, scripts, or long-form text and turns them into ready-to-publish videos, complete with narration, visuals, background music, and subtitles. If you've ever wanted to start a faceless YouTube channel, create TikToks from blog articles, or build Instagram Reels from newsletters, this is the tool. All you need to do is paste your text, choose a video template, and Pictory will generate a video complete with B-roll and AI voiceovers. You can edit the script directly and download your content instantly. It's a content repurposing dream and perfect for creators who want to multiply output without multiplying effort. 5. Descript. Descript completely changes the way you edit audio and video. You upload your video or podcast recording, and it gives you a full transcript. Then you just edit the words like you would in a Word document, and your video updates automatically. Want to cut out a sentence? Just delete the text. Want to remove all the ums, uhs, and pauses? One click. Want to add a sentence in your voice without re-recording? Use their Overdub AI, which mimics your voice. It's like a video editor and word processor had a baby, and it's perfect for podcasters, educators, and YouTubers. 6. Grammarly. Grammarly has been around for years, helping people write better emails and essays. But Grammarly Go takes it to another level. It's their AI writing assistant that suggests improvements, rewrites paragraphs, generates responses, and even helps you brainstorm. Let's say you're writing a cold email, a blog post, or social media caption. Grammarly Go will rewrite it for clarity, fix tone, and even shorten or expand it depending on your needs. If writing drains your time, this tool will give you hours back every week. And it integrates with Gmail, Google Docs, Notion, Slack, and more. 7. Buffer or Hootsuite. Tired of manually posting on Instagram, LinkedIn, X, Facebook, and TikTok? These tools solve that. With Buffer or Hootsuite, you can plan a week's worth of content in one sitting and schedule it to go out automatically. You can preview how it'll look, analyze performance, and even set up queues so you never have to worry about what to post. Perfect for solo creators, agencies, and small businesses. Bonus tip: connect it with a Google Sheet via Zapier and auto-schedule posts directly from a spreadsheet. 8. ChatGPT. You already know about ChatGPT, but did you know you can now create your own version of it? With custom GPTs, you can train your own AI assistant tailored to your needs. You can build a client onboarding assistant, an email responder, a course creation coach, a real estate chatbot, or a data analyst, all without coding. Your GPT can remember brand tone, pull data from files, or act as a niche-specific expert. This is like hiring a virtual employee who works 24/7 and never takes a break. Combine this with API integrations and Zapier, and it can automate entire parts of your business. 9. Systeme.io. If you've ever wanted to sell courses, run a funnel, build an email list, or launch a product, Systeme.io gives you all the tools in one dashboard. Instead of paying separately for tools like ClickFunnels, ConvertKit, Teachable, and ThriveCart, Systeme.io rolls them all into one platform, with a free plan to get started. You can create landing pages, automate emails, set up payment processors, manage affiliates, and build entire funnels without a tech team. It's made for bootstrapped entrepreneurs who want results without complexity. 10. Phantom Buster. This tool automates web actions. Think of it as a bot that does your prospecting, lead generation, or social engagement automatically. Want to send 100 connection requests a day on LinkedIn? Done. Want to scrape Instagram bios for email addresses? Easy. Want to follow people who like a competitor's posts on Twitter? No problem. You can automate outreach, data collection, and interactions at scale. It's widely used in growth hacking, but also powerful for marketers and freelancers who want leads while they sleep. So there you have it, 10 powerful tools that do the work for you. Whether you want to automate emails, schedule content, manage clients, or even generate videos and leads in your sleep, there's a tool on this list for you. These aren't just productivity hacks, they're force multipliers that let you run leaner, work smarter, and get more done with less. If this video gave you ideas, hit that like button and subscribe. We post every week about automations, side hustles, and income tools that help you build freedom and flexibility. Which of these tools will you try first? Comment below, I'd love to hear your picks.